Yep, so Rhys York, Novatech Autobody Repairs. Sort of, my father was a panel beater, his father was a panel beater, so third generation. Manager now, yeah, in the office, moved up in the world. Just the people involved, put a smile on customers' face when they get their car back. Customers with unrealistic expectations on time frames of getting their car back and all that sort of stuff. I've got two panel beaters in mind. One is Brian Kerno, really just knew his stuff, and then the other one's Craig Foster. He knew his stuff as well, and he sort of took me under his wing and mentored me. First car was a Mazda 626, velvet red interior, beautiful car. Current car is a Suzuki Grand Vitara, and the dream car would be an ex-wife Falcon.